This is Joe coming at you from the Chicagoland area, and I'm going to be talking to you about mapping, specifically the relationship between mapping and power. Maps in the hands of people can be a powerful tool and can lead to positive and negative consequences for groups of people. Some great points were made in the discussion in reference to mapping in the article by Rochelle about the power mapping can yield. For instance, Stephanie made a great point about how mapping can lead to people being kicked off their land and render them homeless. In this instance, we should be cognizant about who is doing the mapping, what is their motive, and who does the map benefit. While there are negative aspects to mapping, I also want to focus on the positive aspects. Denise and Kelly also talked about how mapping could possibly influence legislation. If, for instance, mapping of a community showed a certain invasive species was becoming more prevalent, it could lead to community leaders taking action. There's definitely power in that. I also really love the point Tally made about how maps can be useful to connect people to their environment. An example of this from my own community would be the ash trees that are infested with the emerald ash borer beetle. Over 2,700 trees in my village are infested. These trees are being removed all over my neighborhood. If you simply look down the street or around the neighborhood, I don't think you get a good sense of the problem. And if people don't realize that there's a problem, they won't take action. Now, if I went to my neighbors and showed them this map I made, which shows the ash trees that are being removed or have been removed just in the few blocks around my neighborhood, then I think that they would realize that there's a problem, and maybe then they would try to make a difference and help out more. In conclusion, in reading all the different discussions, I think it's safe to say that most people were surprised to learn how much power and influence mapping can have. Now I'm going to throw it to Mary in the desert of Arizona for more information about sense of place and community mapping. Thanks.